name's Jay Hodgson. I'm a big fan of late 60s, early 70s jazz rock fusion. And there's some local musicians, Juice Joint, Amanda Movio, Jelly, Alex Rajaven, Alex McLean, and a number of other people who sort of came in and contributed as well. And I was fascinated to hear what would happen if you just put them in a room for 4 days, and then we went through after and pieced it together the way Teo Macero did with Miles Davis. So we've been jamming for about 5 hours every day. We have about 70 odd gigs of tracks now. We have to go through them all, so it's about 22 hours, and find the parts we like, and go from there. It's a very sort of like free improvisation atmosphere. People pick up whatever instrument they feel like. Everyone's been sort of like going around. People have been coming in and dropping in and watching. And then once we're done, we're going to be pressing to vinyl using Third Man, which is Jack White's lathe. And that was chosen because of recent reissues of Sun Ra and a few other sort of records that are in the same sort of area. So we'll be pressing the vinyl. It'll be part of the Forest City Gallery's 50th birthday celebrations. We have our own imprint. The event was funded generously by LBMX, and so this has allowed us to sort of put this on. And we called it the Forest City Gallery's Postbop Beathead Jazz Workshop.